So which vegetables can you plant in August for Zone 7? Lots. I'm going to show you what we're doing here in our backyard. Some of it's already planted, but this is what we're planting in August for our fall garden. First up, carrots. This is Danvers. Okay, that's a half-long carrot. Love these carrots. They're really good, especially if you have heavy clay soil. And this is something I got from Baker Creek Heirloom Seed. That's a cosmic purple carrot. Second, Space Master, bush cucumber. This is our third planting of cucumber this year. In Zone 7, you can get by with at least 3 plantings, if not 4. And so we're running our third batch of these over here in this raised bed. So as you can see, we've got a trellis there for that Space Master cucumber. Yes, it's already been put in. You know this channel, I'm Jules. I like to push boundaries, so I started that about 10 days ago back in July. Also under these boards, I've already put the carrot seed down as well. I've used the boards to try to keep some moisture in there to get them to germinate a little quicker. And hopefully they'll both hit. That is, again, that cosmic purple carrot and also Danvers half-long. Okay, so it's time for greens again. We do it twice a year. We do it in the spring. We do it for the fall season. First up, Butter Crunch. Butter Crunch lettuce. Second up, romaine lettuce. Both leaf lettuce. Third up, turnip greens. Chef Beth said she didn't care for collard greens this fall, so we're going to try some turnip greens just to switch stuff up a little bit. So this will go in the back left corner of the north bed. That's actually due north. Should be fine. Greens will grow well in shade. Plus, as we move further along, the leaves drop, so there will be even more sun back there. You can see there's some cucumbers left over. That's actually planting 1, so they're about played out anyway. So I'll amend the soil, of course, freshen up the fertilizer, and get it nice and tilled and weed it. And then we'll run 3 rows of greens and lettuce in there. Now number 5 is a little different. I know a lot of people won't do this, but I'm going to try it this year. This is Provider Bean. It's a bush bean. Takes about 55 to 60 days. So if you get it in August, in Zone 7, right, your first frost is not coming any earlier than the middle of October, and it's a good possibility it'll be the 3rd week of October. So you should have enough time to get another crop of beans in. And as you can see here, since it's a bush, I'm going to try it in these containers. You got 2 5-gallon Lowe's buckets, holes in the bottom for drainage and also so that roots can get out. And then the old produce box I've been using this year. I think that's going to be the 3rd time I've used it to grow something in. Of course, I will freshen up all of this soil, freshen up the fertilizer, get my beans in. And I've got it on the edge of the garden here between the garden and the chicken coop, also close to my berry patch. So it's not out of my way to water it. And number 6 is radish. And I'm going with early scarlet white. It's 25-30 day. I'll probably hold back on this for a few weeks, maybe middle of August or later August. And I really haven't decided yet exactly where it's going, but it'll either be with the lettuce and greens, or it will be with the cucumbers and carrots. So leave your comments. What do you like to grow? This is particularly for Zone 7, but you know, you got 8, even 9. I suppose 6, maybe at least radish. They have an earlier frost, but leave your comments down there what you like to grow in the fall. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and give the video a thumbs up and all that good stuff. See y'all later.